Well, hello YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Maybe you are thinking about starting a small camping channel, or your hopes are that it's a big camping channel. Want to get an idea of how much money you're going to make. And I had the same question, and there really wasn't a ton of content online that talked about that stuff. So I'm going to share some numbers with you today, give you a quick overview of our channel. Let's get into it. Well, I'm currently alone out here in the Tillamook State Forest on the Oregon Coast Range. And just to give you a quick overview of our channel, Kim and I started really overlanding back in like 2019, 2020, and really amped up doing a lot more dispersed camping in 2020 during, you know, that certain time that everyone knows about. I was watching a lot more YouTube videos and getting pretty inspired. Video is something I always wanted to get into, so on one of our trips I said, you know what, I'm gonna film a YouTube video, and that is the very first video on our channel, and it is real bad. That's okay, everybody starts somewhere. I knew that I needed to start if I wanted to make this into something. As far as our outdoor background goes, Kim and I have been backpacking together for quite some time. We've both grown up doing various other outdoor activities. So we're no strangers to camping, but we are strangers to YouTube in a sense. We started our channel back in August of 2020. We hit 1,000 subscribers back in December of 2021, I believe. So it took us just a little over a year to get monetized. From what I've researched, that's pretty average. Maybe like a year to a year and a half is kind of what most people expect. And if you are a longtime viewer of the channel, you know we started out in our Toyota Prius, overlanding in our Toyota Prius, and we recently, well, I guess about a year ago now, we upgraded to an 04 Toyota Land Cruiser. When I started this channel, I just had it named after me, and obviously Kim and I were going out on trips every time together, and I decided to call it Winston and Kim because she was helping me a lot more with the filming, a little bit with the editing, and then doing some of the social media stuff on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So it really is our channel. I do a lot more of the editing, and obviously I do a few more like solo videos and stuff. We have considered changing the name of our channel to something, but we haven't really found anything that we really love yet. So I think maybe in the future we might change our name, but right now we're happy with Winston and Kim. It works. Alright, so let's talk about revenue here. And first off, I want to talk about our online store. We just launched that maybe a month ago, and so far we've made about $70, and we've just had stickers up there, and that is really kind of my hope at making this a long-term business, is creating outdoor, overlanding, camping themed stuff. You know, I'm a graphic designer. Kim and I are both graphic designers, and I just really love making little stickers and posters and hats and all kinds of stuff. So we just got some new stickers up on the shop. I'll pop them up right here. You can go check them out. Little cruising stickers. They're pretty fun. If you're new to the channel, you know, watch a few of our videos, check it out. But if you want to help support us, go check out the store and maybe buy something from us. And yeah, we're going to have some koozies up on there probably once this video drops. But yeah, so far, I think we've made $64, $65, rounded off at $70. And that's been just a little over a month, I believe. Revenue from the YouTube Partner Program. Let's talk about that. So again, like I said, we hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours back in December of 2021. I applied for the YouTube Partner Program, and we got accepted like a week later. So somewhere around January 7th, I think, is when our channel got monetized. And it started off slow. You know, we were making like $1 or less a day. It's ramped up here a little bit. I'll pop up some screenshots. As of recording this video, when I was back home and actually had service, we had 1,307 subscribers. We had 9.1 thousand watch hours, and we had $203.39 in revenue. So from January 7th to April 29th, we made just over $200. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, that is absolutely nothing. And you're definitely right. We get roughly 250 views per day, so it's certainly not a lot of money right now. As the channel grows, I know that we're gonna obviously make more money. Not that that is the absolute goal of this channel. I just really love making outdoor YouTube videos, and it's fun. It's a fun creative challenge to make these, and I think also just create a community around like-minded people. I would say that is the main goal of this channel, is create community, you know, have a bit of a creative challenge, but also it doesn't hurt to make some money. As of checking my analytics on April 29th, our RPM from January 7th to April 29th was $7.55. Now, RPM just means revenue per milli, which is how much money that the YouTuber takes home per 1,000 views. And our CPM was $16.63. So the CPM is how much advertisers will pay to have 1,000 ad views on your video. So, you know, if we do some math and extrapolate that out, if we eventually are getting, you know, 1,000 to 2,000 views a day, that number goes up significantly. Then we're making about $8 a day or $16 a day. And sure, that's still not, you know, enough to quit my day job, but it definitely helps, and the channel will I just really think the channel is going to continue to grow from here. Okay, it's Post Winston, and on a community post I just made, Where to Next Overland, who you should go check out, by the way, just asked a great question about our growth trajectory. So I didn't share many like overall analytics in this video, so I'm going to show you quickly when our channel started to gain more views and subscribers and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at some more analytics real quick. So over here you can see like the live count of subscribers. And we'll go to 365 days, or actually we'll go to lifetime. Yeah, August 13th was when we started our channel. We had 5 subscribers, and you can obviously see it was pretty flat for quite some time. And then we had a little bit of a jump once we hit 100. And then from there, it's been, you know, just kind of steady growth. Few little big jumps here and there, but for the most part, a pretty flat line going up. I think really what had sparked a big jump in our traffic, you can see when you look at the views here, pretty flat, you know, a few little blips here and there, but we had a big jump right here. That was the day that we posted our Overland Prius camper tour, and that got a lot of attention. And I think that was, you know, I guess a little novel in the overland dispersed camping space. Obviously there's tons of people doing Prius camping and stuff, but you know, we were kind of doing sketchy off-road things. So I think that's sort of what got our channel on the radar a little bit, because people's interest was piqued. You know, we had a few good videos after that. This is another video that has done really well for us, the Oregon Coast camping video. This continues to get, you know, quite a bit of views. Even, you know, in the last 48 hours, we've gotten 140 views on this thing. This one has contributed quite a bit of revenue even since we got monetized. Like, most of the views were before monetization, but I think this might be our highest earning video so far. We got a bit lucky, or, you know, I guess we just made something that people were interested in seeing. This video really contributed to our subscriber growth. This is by far the most subscribers we've received from one video. Monetarily, it's doing decent as well. It doesn't get nearly as many views as it used to, but we've shifted our focus. If we look at the last 365 days, you know, the views per day have been somewhat steady. They've definitely picked up here in the past, you know, 3 or 4 months since we've gotten monetized, which I thought was interesting. All right, well, hopefully that was a little bit more helpful, a little bit more of a deep dive into the analytics and kind of what's contributed to our channel growth. Let's get back to the woods. Hang on, I gotta put some wood on this fire. So my goal with this video was to, one, hopefully reach some people that want to do this stuff, because personally I don't think there's enough channels out there making just really chill camping content. You know, I follow a lot, but I want to see more. Hopefully encourage people to do this if they want to do it, right? The more stuff that's out there, the more attention that is put on it, which, as far as overlanding is concerned, Some people think that's a really bad idea, but I think as long as there's responsible people out here making videos, being responsible out here, leaving no trace, picking up other people's trash, picking up your trash, I think we can create a really positive community in the overland space that maybe isn't so focused on vehicles and mods and all that stuff, because that's certainly fun to do and think about. I'd be happy if I could put a four-wheel drive on my Prius, have it lifted enough, and get out here and do the same stuff we're doing. Because that's essentially what we were doing before, but we beat the crap out of that poor little car. Well, I hope this was helpful just to see a little bit of the analytics behind our channel and maybe, you know, what you can expect and sort of get an idea for how much money our niche can make in the camping and overlanding space. I hope more people that are making YouTube videos will share this kind of information, because I really do think it's very helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and my long ramblings. If you did, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and come hang out with me and Kim while we camp and enjoy Oregon and all of what the West Coast has to offer. I'm going to be out here recording a few videos, so look forward to those. Those will be, not quite sure how I'm going to structure these or order these, but we're going to be cooking a steak over this fire here pretty soon, and that'll be its own video. So if you want to check that out, it might already be up, it might not. I'll put it up here if it is. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.